is a tutorial regarding the sentencing of sex offenses under Penal Code Section 667.6, Subdivision C, located on the Crime IQ determinant screen. 667.6C applies only to the 10 sex offenses listed in 667.6E. 667.6C applies when there is more than one offense charged and at least one of the offenses is listed in Subdivision E. 667.6C applies when the crimes involve the same victim on the same occasion. 667.6C gives the court the discretion to either sentence under the standard principal subordinate term sentencing scheme, which is more lenient, or under 667.6C. To help apply the correct scheme, Crime IQ gives application notes, cases, rules of court, and FAQ examples, which are helpful in figuring out how to apply the correct rule. So let's try an example. Say that from one episode involving the same victim, defendant was convicted of a 207 kidnapping, rape, oral copulation, and sodomy. The court would first decide whether the consecutive terms should be calculated under the principal subordinate scheme of Section 1170.1 or under the full and separate term scheme of Section 667.6, Subdivision C. If a defendant is convicted of both sex offenses and non-sex offenses, a trial court may designate the longest non-sex offense as the principal term and may treat all of the remaining sex offenses under 667.6C. So here, the principal term for the kidnapping was imposed at the midterm of 5. Under 667.6C, the court could then impose a 6-year, fully consecutive midterm for the 3 sex offenses. Alternatively, the court may sentence entirely under the principal subordinate term scheme, in which case the result is significantly less. Or the court may use a combination of the two schemes. It should be noted that while 667.6C requires full consecutive terms, it does not require imposition of the upper term. The choice of upper, middle, or lower term is within the discretion of the court. It should also be noted that any enhancements for 667.6E offenses are imposed at full term, at least until January 2014. There are other sentencing tutorials available. Please view them to get the most out of Crime IQ calculations.